Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a superhero? Hey, let's create a superhero, okay? So each of you will think and create a superhero. Yeah, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So number one, what is your superhero's superpower? Superheroes have superpowers. Maybe my superhero can fly. My superhero can breathe underwater. My superhero can be invisible. Anna, what can your superhero do? So my superhero
can run rapid.
Can run very fast.
My superhero can run very fast.
Ooh, okay. Someone who's very fast. What about you, Alex?
My superhero can sauter.
Can jump.
Jump really high.
I can jump really high, okay.
My superhero
Can.
Regarder dans le noir.
Ah.
Voir dans le noir.
Can see in the dark.
My superhero can see in the dark.
Excellent, okay. So now we have a superhero that can run very fast, can jump really high, that can see in the dark. Let's think about a name. A name for your superhero. First question, is it a boy or is it a girl? Tell me, it's a boy, it's a girl.
It's a girl.
Okay.
It's a boy.
It's a boy?
It's a girl.
Okay, the girls pick girls and the boys pick boys. Okay. Anna, what is your superhero's name? Her name is?
Her name is Wind.
Wind, okay, Wind. What is your superhero's name?
His name is Leaper.
Leaper, okay, because he can leap. What is your superhero's name?
My superhero's name is Blackout.
Blackout. Oh, Blackout, I like it. That's a cool name. Okay, we have a superpower, a name. What about a costume? Well, what color is his or her costume? My superhero's costume is black. My superhero's costume is red. Everybody, my superhero's costume
My
superhero's costume
is orange.
is orange.
orange.
Yeah, but it's not a superhero. Anna, what is your superhero's costume?
My superhero's costume is blue.
Blue, okay.
My superhero's costume is green.
Green.
My superhero's costume is black.
Black, okay, okay. Blackout, of course. If it was pink. Yeah. Now, what is your superhero's weakness? Ooh. A weakness is the opposite of a superpower. Maybe my superhero is allergic to peanuts. My superhero is very small, etc., etc. Okay, a weakness. Can you think of something?
My superhero is scared of cats.
Ooh, scared of cats, okay. You.
My superhero is scared of heights.
Ooh, oh,
Of what?
Heights.
heights. What about your superhero?
My superhero is afraid of the sun.
Oh, okay, okay, so he can only live at night. Interesting. Okay, so now we have a superpower, a name, a costume, a weakness. Let's draw your superhero. Ready? Go!
Yeah.
Hey, let's see an example. Looks amazing. Great job, guys. Great job. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.